Hi, this is Lindy from Lindy's Goodies, and today I'm going to show you how I prepare tomatoes to freeze so that I can do my canning either for stewed tomatoes or for spaghetti sauce all at one time. Instead of waiting, I've got one or two tomatoes today and maybe a dozen tomatoes tomorrow. I'm going to freeze a whole bunch at once, and then I'm going to have them ready for me whenever I'm ready to do my canning. So I take a tomato, and this is called a stem scar. Now I've done it one of two ways. I've taken the stem scar out, I've left the stem scar in. Much easier to take the stem scar out before you freeze it. So very carefully, going to take the stem scar out. And I'm going to rinse it off, just like so, and place it on a paper towel to drain. And I'm going to do that with all my tomatoes, and then I'm going to show you what we do after that. All right, be right back. Hi, we're back now. All of my tomatoes are washed and the stem scar is taken out of them. Now I purchased a box of canning tomatoes from a local farmer, Farmer Sean, and these are tomatoes that might have some bad spots in them. So you'll see that I might have had to taken out quite a bit of a tomato because of some soft spots. And then others are, quite fine. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to take and dry them off and place them on a cookie sheet. I'm going to do that with every one of these and keep a space in between them because they will expand as they're frozen, as they're freezing, due to the fact that they are mostly water, and water expands as it's freezing, if you didn't know that. Okay, now once we get these all placed on the cookie sheet, we are going to place them in the freezer, and then when they are hard as a rock, I will show you what we do with them after that. All right, see you in a little bit. Okay, now these tomatoes are very cold and frozen. I mean, they are hard tomatoes. And all we're going to do is take these tomatoes and place them in a Ziploc bag. And once I have them all in the bag, they are going to go right back in the freezer again. Now the reason I freeze my tomatoes is because I'm not going to can them right now. I only maybe get 6 tomatoes out of my garden a day. Well, like I said earlier, I bought a box of canning tomatoes, so I really could have processed all those right away, but I decided I didn't have the time. I did not have the time, so I knew I had to freeze my tomatoes and then schedule a day that I can make my sauce or can my tomatoes. So that's all there is to freezing tomatoes. It's very easy and it'll work great. Have good luck with it and have a tasty day.